Greetings to all. Welcome to the Knowledge Center of SRN. I am Faculty of Social Science at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. And today we are going to learn about the topic Land Resources from Grade 8 Book of Social Studies. Conservation of land and soil. Here we will have a close look on the conservation of soil and the means for conserving the soil. It is very necessary to protect soil from erosion, otherwise it becomes unproductive, barren and infertile. We can adopt the following methods to conserve soil. Afforestation. One of the most effective methods for conserving soil is planting more trees. The roots of trees thus planted hold the soil particles together and reduce soil erosion. Methods to conserve soil. Terrace farming. On the hills, conservation of terraces like steps or stair can prevent soil erosion. In this way, the speed of flowing water is reduced and there is less soil erosion. Methods to conserve soil, that is contour plowing. Technique of plowing parallel to the contours of a hill slope rather than up and down the slope so as to reduce soil erosion. Strip cropping. Growing of different crops on parallel narrow strips of ground, usually following the contour patterns. Shelter bells. In dry regions, rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement for protecting soil cover. Construction of check dams. Soil erosion can be checked by constructing check dams also. It helps to prevent the speed of gullies. Mulching. The bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. Contour barriers. Stones, grass, soil are used to build barriers along contours. Trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect water. Nature of the land. Nature of land is one of the most important factors for soil erosion. Clay soil can absorb water easily, hence soil erosion is much less in clay soil. Soil erosion by water is also much less on sandy soils. The erosion of soil and other poorly consolidated sediments by ephemeral streams producing network of steep-sided channels is called gully erosion. Nearly 40 lakh hectares of land in the country have already been degraded due to it. Gully erosion is prevalent in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Physiographic division of India. When we talk about India, we have diversified physical features. Northern part of India has a lofty mountain range, the Himalayas. It extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. A large part of Himalayas is under permanent snow. Himalayas are the source of many rivers flowing in India. On the basis of their altitude, the Himalayas are divided into Shivalik, the Middle Himalayas, and the Greater Himalayas. Mount K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest mountain peak in the world, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir in the northern Himalayas. To the south of the Himalayas, there is a vast stretch of relatively flat surface called the Northern Plains or Great Indian Plains. Now, do you know how these plains are formed? These plains are formed by deposition of alluvium brought by rivers flowing from the Himalayas. The plains extend from Punjab to Assam. These plains are drained by a number of rivers like Satluj, Beas and Ravi on the west. Ganga, Yamuna and other supporting rivers of Ganga in the middle, and Brahmaputra and its tributaries in the east. We all know that India is a peninsula, which means all three sides of southern India are covered by water. The peninsular part of India is largely covered with a plateau. This peninsular plateau is the oldest block of India. The northern part is called Malwa Plateau and it continues up to Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies to the south of India and is bound by The Deccan Plateau is flanked by narrow coastal plains, the west coastal plains and the east coastal plain. The western part of Rajasthan is a great Indian desert. India has two major island groups, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island Group in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island Group in the Arabian Sea. I hope children you have liked the video. Thank you.